tonight's top stories and tomorrow morning's forecast in the first 5 minutes.
Call it a turkey neck, maybe a double chin. Whatever you call that loose, saggy skin on your neck, you probably want it gone. Find out how you can tighten that up without surgery in our health alert.
If you're battling turkey neck, you know that loose, saggy skin under your chin there, we can help. How to fix the problem without having to pay thousands and without having surgery. New tonight, well, we all want to look our best, right? And for a lot of women, that will mean prescription cosmetics and even more expensive plastic surgery to prevent those signs of aging. In our health alert tonight, we introduce you to a few of the latest products that experts claim can save you from surgery.
It's a common sign of aging for many women.
You start to get this little jiggle.
Some even call it turkey neck.
Dropping with gravity and age.
But a local plastic surgeon, Dr. Teresa Jarmas, is raving about a cream she claims can tighten and smooth your skin, and it doesn't require a prescription.
It's very unusual to find a topical cream that's not prescription that actually does what it says it's going to do.
According to its makers, Nectifirm has 8 active ingredients, including a plant product that's intended to dissolve fat.
We do see improvement in the little bulge or double chin in people's necks.
The cream sells for $60 a jar, and users say worth every penny.
It's starting to feel a little obscure, getting older and not quite as noticed, and all of a sudden I started getting a little attention.
Kama Schwartz was considering plastic surgery, but instead, Dr. Jarmus suggested a combination of Nectifirm and an injectable collagen stimulator called Sculptra to plump up her cheekbones.
We don't need a neck lift anymore. There's nothing surgical to do here. Anytime we could find something that puts off surgery, it's better.
Dr. Jarmus says women waste far too much money on products that don't work, and they often turn to lasers or surgery when topicals work just as well.
And the texture, we don't see the little bumps. Everything's nice and smooth.
Nectifirm did the trick for Jan Ferguson.
Now, since it's worked so well on my neck, I've been putting it on my arms.
Aside from the neck firming topical, Dr. Jarmus